Kublai pi baro gini longi kubor bam tagasngi. Menteri Rangba kami Meghalaya Conrad ke sang maha kasngi balang ulapan syai pait bakam dan satya kanu kanu kejing pisah hapo kejela. Da ka bakentat di kejing itu kubor ba kejing shimrai ban khangi ki office Sorkar ha ubnai Nohprah akadai namar kejing duna Pisa. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor Conrad loong baka Sorkar jela krakot sya kejing lut Pisa ka bahetam haga histori jong kejela hakani kesnem Pisa arhajar arpsan hadu arhajar arpndio. Ula pentip benadu Desember arhajar khat nyo, hadu Nohprah arhajar arpsahu ke jenglut Pisa jong ke Sorkar ke Longkumba. 10,000 kendai sepak ndruf nyo klur tingka, ndrei hakani ke senem Pisa bementa, hadu Nohprah hi ke jenglut Pisa ke jam syaka arpulai, hajar saus pak kendai pendruf klur tingka. Ladang ipet egi jengken nyila spen kambun shibun bani ke por bemensya. Kani ke jenglut Pisa ke bahetam, haga histori jong ke jelala ong Menteri Rangba. Ula pentip ru batang hau benai Nohprah arhajar arpsan marwe ka Sorkar kelalut Pisa jan arhajar kelur tingka ke bakentop ya kejeng sutulap arbenai syaginong tri Sorkar bariki bil bapher jong kitenat Sorkar. Conrad ula banjur bawat la kejeng penyat ya ke Pisa kalong kakam ke mana kapon ri ke Sorkar kelale ikane de kejeng kit kri bat jingyat ben ula pensyai baga jengkang ki office Sorkar ka khat khandai bat arpo 3 Desember kam de satya namar ka jengbam dan Pisa nri karitang ka jeng shimrai pat ba administrative decision namar ba kita tarik ki haba jan ka sngi shuti bar ka jeng elek when Christmas Menteri Rangba ula penpauru baling ba ki jeng penkala administrative reforms bar ka jeng shimbenta jong ka digital governance hakini ki news nem shiteng balalet nyo ka kam Sorkar kam shimna shongshu tang ha ka jeng dan pat ba ha ki office Wad ha kapor baki office ki khang ki jingyang Pisa baki jing siu ki dang yat shakman ling ba ka online ha ka arpo ar bat wad ha ka arp sau turik u December ula ong. Ula ay nuksa babun ki officer ki la pelat ki jingyang kam bat ki jing siu ling ba ki online system ka bala pendunai ya ka jing ba ka jing tmu pat ba ha kapor khaddu jing ka snem Pisa. Aba penskam migi pat ba ke jela Menteri Rangba ulang ba amdan kanu ke jing Pisa ke bakrau bat ba ke Sorkar kalala ban peniat ke jing lut Pisa ha kapor babiang klem da penmi jing pen jing kendu jing ha kapor Christmas la ne ha kapor khang jong ke snem Pisa
17 when the previous government was there up to December 2026 there was an expenditure of 10,000 crores that the government spent 2017 up to December financial year 2025-26 this year that is our total expenditure from that time 10,000 crores and I'm talking about actual expenditure I'm not talking about budget there's a money we spent our expenditure this year till December has been 23,496 crores. So that time it was 10,000 crores, 10,967. And this year till now we have spent 23,496 crores. That's the expenditure we have had. If you talk of the expenditure just in December month, only December month alone, we have spent close to 2,000 crores in this month of December. Just December month. That includes 2 months of salary for employees. That includes, I don't have the breakup with me in this sheet, but bills of different departments, everybody. So let me be very clear that obviously finance is a challenge. It's never easy, and there are different aspects of finance that we have to look at, and finance will always be a challenge. But the numbers have shown that we have spent significantly more than what was done in the past, and there's nothing, no relation of closing the office on 19th with funds not being available. Funds, obviously, as I said, is always a challenge, but we have very judiciously worked towards ensuring that we are able to meet our expenditures in the best possible manner. And we've been very prudent in how we have moved forward. The Christmas days were very simple for us. 19th happened to be a Friday, 20th happened to be a Saturday, and 21st happened to be a Sunday. So normally we close on the 23rd. So we just took the decision because most of the works that need to be done. Let me also share with you that in the last 7.5 years, we've been going through a lot of administrative reforms. We've been also going through a lot of technological interventions. A lot of the work today, is being done in such a manner that there is not as much stress that comes on us on the 20th of December or on the 8th of March, so that we are able to spread out the work that is there and manage our work and manage our pressure better. So, small things like, for example, the e-proposals that we have. That means, uh, you know, uh, proposals that need to be sent, even if the officer is in other corner of the world. He doesn't have to be physically present here for our proposals to be cleared. They will go online, and at any given time from anywhere, the proposals can be cleared. Payments can be cleared. I just want to give an example to you. There was one payment that was there. We were, I think, in Delhi that time, and the concerned officer was sitting right next to me, and he was showing that he was just clearing the payments of some of the casual workers online sitting in Delhi because there was some urgency. So that's how things have reformed. So a lot of work has been structured. And just to share with you that even though our offices were physically shut on the 19th, on 20th, uh, because of the online systems and the different systematic changes we have made, transactions were happening on 20th, on 22nd of December, and even on 24th of December. So the offices were at home, but they were online and making transactions. There was a centrally sponsored scheme transaction that needed to be cleared. That was done on the 24th evening. So hence, I think what is important to note is that, as I said, that it's important to create proper mechanisms in place so that the works are done. And that's what we've been doing. And as I said, we have been also working in such a manner that the pressure does not build up only for Christmas and only before the financial year ending. And we're able to clear the things and schemes, well in time and well in advance, so that no pressure builds up during that time. I'm not saying that others did not manage well or nothing like that. I'm just telling you how we work. So that's how things are. So there is no major concern. I can assure the people of the state. The money spent, we've been spending judiciously, and the highest expenditure ever in the states. History has taken place during this financial year. So that we're touching almost 24,000 crores till December. And in the month of December alone, we touched an expenditure of 2,000 crores, almost 1,920 plus something. So that's what it is. So I don't want to